Hey yawns, welcome back to my channel, 20BLV Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro. It's just this hoe. Guys, as promised, it is time. Yes, girl, yes. I have a new work tote that I want to unbox for you guys, and I haven't seen it, so this is a true unboxing because I didn't want to get in it without, like, you guys being with me. I wanted to do this together. Hold my hand. Okay, here we go. The box is massive, and I mean massive. Okay, let me get it out. Maybe. That's what she said. I almost missed that one, didn't I? Okay, I'm gonna have to turn it over. Again, what she said. Oh, guys, I'm sure this thing will have to be edited to the gods. Okay, so anyhow, it is from the good folks at Teddy Blake. Look how huge this bag is. I wanted a tote. Yes. There were several bags that I wanted. I'll show you somewhere during this video some of the bags that I checked out. I'll roll some video during this video for you, but man, oh man, there were so many. It was really hard for me to make a choice on which bag, but in the end, I figured, you know, I've been doing the work thing, trudging back and forth to work. Of course, I've been sick. I haven't been there in a minute, but when I go into work, I always have to take a bigger bag. And so I never thought this day would come, guys. But I got a new work tote bag, and I'm very excited about this because Teddy Blake, oh my gosh, they have the best designs like that you could ever dream of. I mean, anything that you could think of. I feel like there is something for everyone on the website. Whatever your taste is, yep, they have one. Yep, you wanted a bag to look like it? Yeah, here it is. So they do accommodate every taste. They don't just have the same boring bag over and over again. It's lots and lots and lots. This is why it's so hard for me to choose. But lots of things to choose from. Very nice variety. Italian leather. Girl, I can already smell that. Yes. Yeah, that smell kind of hits you in the face when you first get the bag out. Look at this. Oh my gosh. How friggin' cute is this tote bag? It is amazing. Oh my gosh, the leather feels so soft. Kind of got a little sheen to it. Yeah, you can definitely smell that good smell of leather. And then the back is just, the inside is just the raw leather, the back of the piece of leather that the Italian design. You know, what they do is they use the people that make the bags, the artisans that make these bags for Teddy Blake. They get them from places, you know, where they've worked for a luxury brand and stuff. And so that's who's making your bags, actually, is somebody that worked at one of the big design houses at one point. So they do that. But yeah, oh my gosh, nothing but good here. I love it. So you can shoulder this bag easily. I like that. So that'll be easy to take in and out. Oh my gosh. And it comes with a little pouch attached. What do you guys think? This thing is gorgeous. It's just the right size. I was thinking after I order it, because y'all know I don't know sizes. Self-professed size queen, and she has no idea. I don't know. So I always just hope that it's what I had pictured in my mind. And I had a little bit bigger, and I thought, oh gosh. In this situation, I did not want bigger. Bigger would not be better. So this is the perfect, and I mean the perfect size for me. I've been carrying this Fendi Sunshine tote, and if I'm being honest, I do love, what's not to love about the Sunshine tote? But if I'm being honest, it's a bit heavy with the handles, all the leather, yeah, all the hardware. It makes it a little heavy. This bag is very lightweight, and I love that because I'm also going to be putting in my laptop for work, all kinds of stuff. So I need something lighter because this thing I love, while I love it, it is just so heavy with all my stuff in it. I have a lot of my work stuff still in there. So I'm gonna have to retire this bag and start using this one. I'm very excited. I love this baby pink. The baby pink sold me on that. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. excited. I'm gonna get you the actual name of this bag, and they're having a huge sale right now, so definitely go in, check all that out on the website. But this bag is actually called the Alice Vitello Media in pink. It looks like a baby pink to me. And at the time that I got this, it could be had for as little as $2.49. That was the sale price on it then at the time of this filming. So there might be some better deals coming up because it's close to Thanksgiving and Black Friday. So definitely go on the website. I'm going to leave my link down below, and also use my promo code of WinnieBLV, and that will also give you some discount as well. But man, oh man, look how cool this thing is inside. This is adorable. Okay, look, it's got a little cute little tag right here. So yeah, if I were to buy this same similar tote from one of the big design houses, I mean, we're talking $1,000, $1,500, $2,000. No ma'am, I'm not doing it. And they hold up well. I wish I brought it up here, but the last one that I got, and I'm gonna hide this one because my daughter does like to take my Teddy Blake bags, both of them. The last one that I got a tote bag as well. She absconded with the quickness, so this one I have to kind of be secretive about and hide. I don't want her to grab it. But the other one that I got last year, or was it? No. Yeah, it's been a year now. That thing is still taking a licking and keeping on ticking. As you know, my daughters are very, very hard on bags. They sling them around, and I mean, it's sad to say that's why they will never use my bags unless I give them a bag. No. You're not using, no, not today, because they are so hard on them, and I don't want all my bags messed up. But I'm serious, that bag that she's been using, that tote bag that I got last year, it still looks like the day I didn't give it to her, but that she took it from me and that I unboxed it. It still looks that good. But oh man, I'm very impressed. I love the floppiness of it. Yes, I'm totally down with this. I love it, yeah. I can definitely get into work. I do like carrying, and I use it as a shoulder strap as well. I'm telling you, by the time I get into work with all my stuff in there, I feel like I need therapy. I need some like muscle therapy or the chiropractor or something to adjust me after I carry that. I love it. I love the look of it, but man, it gets heavy. But this, girl, yes. So anyway, I'm gonna link this down below. I want you to check it out. Now, they were nice enough to give me another item that I wanted to try on one of my other bags. It comes with a nice dust bag. I don't know if I emphasized that, but yeah, it does come with a nice flannel feeling cotton like dust bag to keep it safe. What's in here? I feel like Erin, the handbag housewife, because she does love a good strap. I love a good strap on, but y'all know me. Okay, anyhow, they gifted me, which I love, the idea of getting this. I hope it's everything I wanted. Oh my God, it's so pretty. So I got a new strap that I can use on one of my other bags. It's a shoulder strap. I mean, if you were tiny, you could probably crossbody that, but no ma'am, she's not. Not today, girl. There's no way. But it is beautiful. Check out. And I want to say this was very reasonable on the price. If you've seen some of the luxury, I would love to have a new Fendi strap. But girl, I don't even know what it is. It's more than $1,000 just to even buy a strap. So, But they were nice enough to give me this. Look at the edge coat on the edges. Oh, wow. It's done very well. It's made very, very well. But yeah, I got a new leather strap. I love the design on it. Here, let me go in close. Yeah, that is so cute. There's a couple of bags that I have that are big. That's what she said. That I wanted to try this strap. I love it. I love that it's not like logo plastered all over it. I didn't really want that this time. And it's got a little bit of pink to it. This one is not really made to, you know, put strap on there. So I wouldn't be using it on this, but I mean, it would go well, right? It matches. Look how cute that looks together. But yeah, I knew that going in, but they do have some other baby pink bags that this would work on. So yeah, next time. I'm always thinking, I have a bag in mind for this. It's kind of like almost a khaki green and tan or brown color with that pink. It just looks so good. I'm so impressed with the quality of this strap. Definitely go check them out, and I will link down below. As I said earlier, I keep telling y'all, thank you to Teddy Blake for sponsoring me today. I so appreciate it. Anytime that Teddy Blake comes knocking, I'm always like, yeah, this house is rocking. No, I'm always going to answer that call and that email, because I just really, I like their quality and I like their bags. I'm just going to keep right on with them because they do have good deals. They really do. I could not believe that this bag was the price that it was on the website. I'm just blown away by the whole thing. Anyway, go check it out. Thanks again to them. I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving tomorrow. It's right here up on us. Saturday, I have a Louis Vuitton animation unboxing. I couldn't do it, guys. I couldn't be strong.
Meanwhile.
But anyway, that is coming up Saturday. I hope you'll definitely come back for that video. And happy Thanksgiving. And I hope you have a great rest of the week. Enjoy watching all the football grudge matches going on this weekend as well. I will be watching my team hopefully win. You know, I'm not going to get too overconfident. Last year, they did beat us. So anyhow, do me a favor though. If y'all see my husband, girl, don't tell him nothing. Bye. So, of course, Thanksgiving means, yep, Christmas decorations have to go up. Hopefully, we will get all of ours up. I'm thinking about, what do you guys think about this? I'm thinking about putting a little Christmas tree over here and decorating that tree with all my little tiny, tiny handbags. Now, I have some tiny handbag ornaments to fill in because I don't know if I have enough micro. I probably do, don't I? But isn't that a great idea? People have been telling me that for a while. Like, you need to go ahead and decorate a tree. So I think I'm going to do that this year. And hopefully I'll get on that this weekend. Maybe the next couple videos you might see that. Ooh, maybe I'll make a video of me decorating that tree. What? Totally naked? How would that? Okay, I'm just kidding. I want you to actually watch it. So that would not happen. I can't promise you there will be a bra involved because, you know, she hates those now. Who doesn't? I'm so excited. It's going to be a tiny bag Christmas. Yes, biatch.